Aburi, read carefully. I have taken note of General Gowon's latest remarks concerning the Aburi meeting. History is not a garment to be tailored at will. It is an unchanging record for all who care to examine it. At Aburi, our objective was singular: to prevent Nigeria from descending into chaos. The agreements reached there were clear, recorded, and witnessed. They affirmed a structure that would allow each region to exercise control over its affairs while preserving a united Nigeria built on mutual respect, not coercion. If Aburi failed, it was not for lack of clarity but for lack of implementation. The federal delegation agreed in Ghana to principles that they later rejected in Lagos. One cannot rewrite the past to shift responsibility. The recordings of that meeting remain, and they speak more plainly than any later recollection. I did not seek secession. I sought justice and safety for my people. It was only when the federal government abandoned the Aburi decisions, the very last hope for peace, that events took the course they did. Let history judge us by what we did, what we agreed to, and what we failed to honor. Nigeria might have been spared great suffering had the spirit of Aburi been upheld. I also hereby request that General Gowon would come over so we debate this one-on-one. We have a lot of witnesses over here that were present at the Aburi in Ghana. Dim chukwumika ojumegwo Ojukwu.